6:30 a.m. Good morning, AJ. Good morning. It's a Sunday today. Can't we get up late? No, because Sunday is a fruit and vegetable day. The earlier we go, the more fresh fruits and vegetables we will get. Okay, but it's not even 7 o'clock yet. I thought that Sunday was meant for rest, but here we don't get rest even on Sunday. I think Sunday was created so that we can do all those things that we can't do on other days of the week, like washing our cars. We don't have a car. We will have one someday. When we have one, we will hire a car washer. Do you remember when we were in Delhi, we used to go to play cricket every Sunday? We used to study then. We did not work. All our work was done by our family members. Then we had time, which we don't have now. Now we are in Mumbai. Earlier also there were 24 hours in a day. Even now there are 24 hours. We just need a good timetable. 7 a.m. I'm making tea. Do you want some? If you make it according to my instructions, then yes. Few minutes later. Your tea, DJ. Did you follow the instructions? Yes. 2 teaspoons sugar? Yes. 1 pinch of leaves? Yes. Ginger? Yes. Cinnamon? Yes. Thank you. 7:30 a.m. But why don't we order fruits and vegetables online? We can get them cheaper online, but we are not sure if we will get them fresh or not. But it saves us a lot of time. We go to the market on Sundays. If we save time today, we will get bored. But if we wake up late and then buy fruits and vegetables and cook them, how much fun it will be. Waking up late has its own disadvantages, like waking up late will make you sleep late at night. You will feel unwell and will remain lazy the whole day. 8:45 a.m. Today we have bought so much fruits and vegetables that it will easily last us a week. But I think this is too much. Whatever is more, we will finish it today itself. What do you mean? What I mean is that we will prepare shakes and custard juices of the fruit which are in abundance and finish them today itself. If you bring them first and then finish them the same day, then what is the use of bringing them? Are you asking me about the benefits of fruits and vegetables? Or are you taunting me?